This is the AccuCable 10-foot. It is a 5-pin DMX cable, so you can see the 5 pins there. So this is for connecting 5-pin DMX fixtures. You can see the model number here. It is the AC5 PDM X10. Comes with a limited lifetime warranty, and you can see the number there to call. So also the model number down here, and you can see it's made in the People's Republic of China. So to open this, we'll undo this Velcro, and then just slide it out. Something that you don't normally get to see online is, before you buy these cables, is how well is it soldered. So let's go ahead and open this end and take a look. Now these are kind of nice because they have this yellow ring on there, which is a color coding, I believe, for the length of the cable. So this is a 10-foot length. So here we have this connector disassembled. Can slide that back there, and you can see that these are, looks like gold-plated contacts. So the shield there is wired there, and you do have, it appears, to be all pins wired up. There's a white, black, green, and red wire there, and those are connected to pins 2, 3, 4, 5 respectively, and the shield is on 1. They do have this extra heat shrink cover here that helps prevent them from shorting if there is any sort of contact in between them, which is kind of nice. And then you can see, I'll pull back on some of these so you can see the soldering work there. See how that's soldered there with the green and the red wires. Okay. There's the white and the black. You can see some of that soldering as well. Just be sure to push those back down, because that will help prevent any shorts inside the connector. Okay. And then slide this collar back over it. Try to line up this notch there. And then take the metal connector part here, find that notched opening there with the arrow, and line that up with this top end there. Slide that in just like so, and then slide this on, making sure that it's straight. And just finger snug there. This does feel like a pretty thick cable here, as you can see. And it is, you can see some of the writing here, 22 gauge, 2-pair low capacitance shielded professional data cable. All right, this is the locking mechanism there with the latch. Let's look at the female end here. Just unscrew it there. You can push it out like so. Sometimes on these you have to push down on the latch to get it out. There we go. And then we'll slide this collar back. And you can see again on this end, some of the soldering work, the shield, they all have the heat shrink around them. It's kind of nice, a little added protection against any sort of shorts. So the wiring here is white, black, green, red in that order for pins 2, 3, 4, and 5 respectively. Okay. Let's slide this collar back on over here. Again, try to line up this little slot and notch there. This latch at the top should align with this spring when you slide it back on. Just like this. Then once you have it in all the way, it should be pushed up all the way to the end there. And then you can screw this back on, finger tight. There we go. So that is the AccuCable 5-pin 10-foot XLR DMX cable. You use this for 5-pin DMX lighting fixtures and accessories and controllers.